Hey guys, the Minute Clinic is back. I wanted to go over today how you would do a pre-op check, which needs to be done every time you use a new circuit on the MRI vent. So when you first turn on the ventilator, you're going to get to this home screen. And what I'm looking to do is select this pre-op check button. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to select tightness. And it's asking you to disconnect patient. So that just means you, of course, have it off the patient. Tighten patient system. All that means is you just occlude the end. So I'm going to occlude it. That's going to make a little bit of noise, which is totally normal. Connect patient, that just means you can release and it's ready to go. And now it shows you have passed. For our next circuit test, we need to do the flow sensor. So you're going to need your flow sensor. And remember, it connects over here on the side, white to white, blue to blue. And then on that flow sensor on the tubing, it also comes with this little adapter. So what I need to do is take that small adapter piece and fit it on my flow sensor. So this is what it ends up looking like. And now I'm ready to actually do the flow sensor test. To get to the flow sensor test, you're gonna hit pre-op check and then select flow sensor. It's going to tell you to disconnect patient, which should already be the case, and then turn flow sensor. So you're actually going to take the flow sensor and turn it completely around, just like this. It'll look like that, and then it's going to say maneuver in progress. It'll take a little longer than you think, so just let it run its course. So now it says to turn flow sensor, so we're actually going to flip it back over again. So I'll take it out and flip it. So now that it's flipped, you're just gonna wait for the bar to get all the way to 100%. And then it's gonna show you that the flow sensor passed. If you take too long to move to the next step, it will fail, so you'll just have to repeat the process again. And when it's done, you won't need this adapter piece, so you need to take that off. This is what actually goes to the patient, and then it comes with this little piece here that can snap right onto your tubing, and that way you don't lose it. And that is how you do a flow sensor check.